What is up, guys? Austin here. I finally got the Blackline foam cannon. Been down for one of these to get on the TikTok shop. I finally got one. So when you open up this box, it's really foam padded inside. It is pretty nice. And you see here you got the 1,000 milliliter bottle. It's pretty big. It's a lot bigger than the other one, which I'll show you. And I got this towel and microfiber towel. It's a Blackline stamped. Really nice. It's really soft. Very high quality. And then what you got right here, you got a weighted ball that gets all the soaps and water on the bottom of the bottle. And then you got this thank you card from Blackline. And then we got this paper right here that just shows you how to install the gun. Pretty self-explanatory. After that, and then you got the foam maker. You got that Blackline logo right there. Very nice. Everything's almost stainless steel. I don't even know what the orifice is, but it's very nice for what I'm seeing. And you got the adjuster right there. And so far, I like it. So all I do is plug this bad boy in. And that's pretty much the only installation besides screwing on the bottle. So after you screw this on, you got the final results. Very nice, high quality foam cannon. I really like this thing a lot. I'm excited to test this thing out compared to my other foam cannon. And I got this thing for $17. I think it was a steal compared to $50. And I use this with my purple tickets to the TikTok shop. Here's my other foam cannon. I got this thing for like $10 on the TikTok shop. It's pretty good for starters. I will say that it has never let me down yet. But as you can see here, we're going to compare the two. I really do like the Blackline better just because it's a lot easier to fill. In this foam cannon right here on the right side of Tool Daily, it's pretty good. And as you can see here, this is what I was telling you, that it's a lot easier to pour because of how big that lip is. And then you open up this bad boy right there, and just the Tool Daily is just really small. It's really hard to pour soap in there, so that's why I'm saying the Blackline wins in this one. And you compare the two, you got the stainless steel on the Blackline, and you got the Tool Daily, which is brass, which is all right quality. And the bottom, you didn't even have a weighted ball on the bottom, so big win on Blackline right there. But as you can tell, really excited to get this thing out there, and I will do it on my next video, so please follow, like this video, and if you do go on my YouTube channel, please subscribe for more. I'm excited to test these things out.